If you're a fan of matcha, how do you feel about hojicha? And then on that same thought, do you like them in cookie form? This is another mix, scoop, and bake recipe, and you can bake the dough freshly made
in like 30 minutes, including the mixing and scooping. These are soft cookies with tea-forward flavors, and it's really easy to add in whatever mix-ins you like. So let me show you how to bake them with confidence. I always like to start with measuring out all the ingredients I need first. And my mix-in of choice is white chocolate chips, and I'm just gonna put that into my dry ingredients as well. Then I'm mixing all my wet ingredients, which includes a half melted butter. And you want to give everything a little mixy mix and make sure you are using your rubber spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl, the bottom. And the idea is that you don't want to have any dry or wet streaky spots. If you have a little bit, it's not the end of the world, it's okay, but you definitely don't want like really big spots of wet or dryness. So your dough shouldn't be oily either. Since we're using a hojicha powder, it's gonna make the dough a little bit thick. And as always, I love using an ice cream scoop as my cookie scoop to make sure I have even cookie dough balls. I like to scoop my cookie doughs onto a tray when I'm making a bunch, so as you can see right next to it, the green cookie dough is the matcha. Since this cookie dough has a mix-in, I like to add a little bit more toppings right on top, so when it bakes, it's gonna look extra aesthetic.
If you go to my recipe post, I also break down steps on how to freeze the dough and you bake from frozen, or you could just fully chill it and bake from fully chilled. I usually do this with all my cookie dough recipes because you never know when you need a freezer stash of cookie dough or you need a fresh one.
So on that note, happy baking! Sparkle Cookery if you want to learn more about how baking is fun and approachable from me, a professionally trained pastry artist. Okay, bye!